unboxed, we've reboxed, and now we're unboxing. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so exciting. I'm so tired and I've got to talk because today is the day we get our special delivery, our iMac Pro, after hours and hours and hours and hours of watching YouTube and deciding on what to buy, because now that I'm a YouTuber and on the eve, and my boyfriend's letting me do this while he plays video games in the background. Really exciting from the box. Now, it did take a little bit of time. We do have a little bit of box damage and we're a little scared about what's inside, so hopefully it's not a smashed computer. Yeah, this is my unboxing video of my MacBook Pro 13-inch. Now I know that we're meant to get the 16-inch, but this bitch ain't paying $4 grand for a computer. They're Australian prices. Alright, let's start. Oh baby. Oh, look at that sweet pill. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh. It kind of jumps out at you. Oh my god. Oh, watch it, dog. Let's edit that out. So inspect the box. Oh, we've got a slight ding on the corner. Maybe not. Maybe. But all in all, good. So we have a 13-inch, 1.4, 16 gigabytes. Oh yeah. And it's got so many cute labels, like little arrows, just waiting for me to unarrow it. So you want me to pull this? Oh damn. Oh yeah. We're opening this box. Let me put that there. Oh my god. And the plastic just comes off. I'm sorry, dolphins. Why can't they figure something else out? But you know, the box is all we've got. Come on. My unboxing from somewhere in China. Come kind of on time. Ooh, yeah. Damn. Now we pull this one. Oh, this is the first computer I've ever bought for myself, and I've smashed 2 computers. Sorry, work. There's my little computer. Oh, it does have a smell that they say on the internet about. Got some paperwork. Ooh, and some stickers. I don't know what to do with this. It tells me things. We'll get back to that later because today's just unboxing. Oh yeah, we got a power brick. Yeah, bitch. Oh, it is made out of paper. Oh, it's very nice feeling. I wish life was this nice feeling sometimes. Oh, it rips. Oh my god, it's like baking paper. Oh, that one. We have a cable, and that's it. And then we have the unveiling. So what do you want me to do with this? How do you want me to do it? I'm not a professional. Oh yeah. Ooh. Hello, Christmas. Oh man, this is so exciting. I'm opening it up. Oh, and it's got paper in there as well. Ah, and it turned on. Peel that bad boy off. Or should we leave it on? It's loading up. And that's my unboxing. It's finally arrived. We literally waited, I don't know, a month for this delivery to come. So we had a computer for a week, and then they came and picked up the old MacBook Pro and delivered me the new MacBook Pro because the internet said the M1's better, but what am I going to know? Oh, how the hell do you get into this? This is the official, we've unboxed, we've reboxed, and now we're unboxing. Oh baby, oh baby. I'm going to do this way this time, because you pull these flaps, pop, and then it just slides out, and here we go. Alright, so I'm going to make this quick and short because, God, I have waited and waited and waited. And then I had to wait to unbox it because we're making a friggin' documentary about it. Oh, baby. All that plastic. This time the box, I don't know, she's taken a little bit of a hit. But she's alright. She's come all the way from the other side of the world. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It opens just as difficultly, although it's still nice. Blam!